In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create case assignment rules in Salesforce and share some best practices to optimize your workflow. Understanding and setting up case assignment rules is essential for businesses that handle a high volume of customer interactions and want to ensure efficient case distribution. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll navigate to your Salesforce interface and start by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. This action will present you with a drop-down menu where you should select Advanced Setup. This area is the control center for configuring complex features in Salesforce. Once there, in the quick find box on the left side of the screen, type Case Assignment Rules. This is the quickest way to navigate straight to this tool, saving you time from scrolling through lists. You'll see an option labeled Case Assignment Rules under the Service section. Click on this option to view any existing rules or to create a new one. To create a new rule, click the New button. Here you'll be prompted to assign your rule a name. It's a good idea to choose a descriptive name such as Default Assignment Rule. This makes it easier to manage multiple rules later on. If you want the rule to be active immediately, make sure to check the Active box. After saving your new rule, click the rule name to begin defining the specific parameters for case assignment. This brings you to a screen where you can add rule entries to specify precisely how cases are assigned. You'll click New under the Rule Entries section. Here, start by defining the sort order. The order determines the sequence in which each entry is evaluated, so it's critical to prioritize your rules logically. More specific entries should typically have a lower sort number, as they will be evaluated first. Next, you'll set the criteria by establishing conditions that must be met for a case to be assigned as per this rule. This could involve setting fields such as case origin to email or priority to high. These conditions ensure that the most urgent or relevant issues are dealt with promptly. Then assign the case to a specific user or queue. Using queues is a powerful way to distribute workloads across teams, preventing any one person from becoming overloaded. This practice aids in maintaining efficiency and balance in workflow management. Additionally, you can choose an email template to send a notification when a case is assigned. This step is optional but useful for keeping team members in the loop. With all your parameters set, click Save. Now your rule is active and will automatically route cases based on the specified criteria. Remember, when designing your rules, it's vital to order them sensibly. And do make use of queues and custom fields to tailor the rules to your unique business processes, facilitating smooth and effective operations. By implementing these best practices, you can enhance your team's responsiveness and effectiveness in handling customer cases.